Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday to you all. If you're not watching this video on Sunday, I hope your day is going great as well. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you and I hope you join us. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. I'll be showing you 4 ways to do the spend 30 get $10 back, and remember that deal is a limit of 1. The first deal I have here will be the Caseboard Beats toothpaste. They are part of the buy 2 get $5 back, and this is a limit of 2. Pick up 2 priced at $4.79. Both of them are going to total $9.58. Check your app because we have a $2 coupon that is going to apply and drop it down to $7.58. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items $2.58 or $1.29 each. The next deal I found in front of the store is when you buy Real Beauty Miracle Patch Duo, that's the trial and travel, you get $3 back. Picking up one of the patches, the Blackhead Control, priced at $7.99. I don't have any coupon for this, but you have a percentage of CRT. You can use it with this deal, and this can be a good filler item if you have a 10 of 70. But without any CRT for this, pay the $7.99. Get $3 back, making it just $4.99. The next deal is when you spend $10, you get $3 back on any clear sinus. Pick up the Clear 12 Hours Nasal Decongestant, priced at $9.99. That's within the 98% rule. You can add this to a 10 of 70, or if you have a percentage of CRT, because it's not on sale. But without the CRTs, pay the $9.99. Get $3 back, making it just $6.99. Next deal I have here is when you buy 3 of any Neutrogena cosmetics, you get $10 back. Depending on what your store have, as you can see, my store have just 2 of the makeup wipes and 1 of the eye makeup remover. Picking up 2 of the makeup wipes and the eye makeup remover will total $21.77 because the wipes are priced at $7.49. and the eye makeup remover is priced at $6.79. We received a $5 mystery CRT today for Neutrogena. I scanned these items in the app. It wasn't attaching to the $1 digital coupon we have. And I also tried it with the $1 coupon from coupons.com. When I scanned the item and I scanned the coupon, it beeped, so I don't think it's going to work for it. But without any coupon, just using the $5 CRT, you will pay $16.77 and get $10 back, making it just $6.77 for all 3 of them, or $2.26 each. The next deal I have here will be on CoverGirl Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Perfect Blend pencils priced at $5.79 each, and use this $2 coupon I got from coupons.com, and we also have one in our app for the second item. And I still have this $5 CRT we received last week, and that's for CoverGirl or Revlon, but you can use it for this CoverGirl. It's going to drop it down to $4.58. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items free and 42 cents moneymaker. The next deal I have is on L'Oreal Cosmetics. It's on the deal of spend 15, get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. Picking up the L'Oreal mascara price at $14.99. That's within the 98% rule. I have my $3 CRT from last week. If you printed yours out because it expired on Saturday, you can still use it. And I also received 2 $4 CRT for L'Oreal. I got one last week and I also received one today. I also have a 3 of 15 L'Oreal CRT that will apply to this. With all these CRTs, it's going to drop it down to 99 cents. Pay that and get $5 back, making it free and a $4.01 moneymaker. The next deal is when you spend $8 on Sally Hansen product, you get $2 back, and this is a limit of 1. The cheapest item my store have will be the Insta Dry, priced at $7.99. Last week we received a $3 CRT that expired on Saturday, so if your store accepts expired CRT up to 2 days, you can use it. Using just the CRT is going to drop it down to $4.99. Pay that and get $2 back, making it just $2.99. If you do not want to do the extra care box deal, but you still want to pick up a Sally Hansen nail polish that will even be cheaper than the extra care box, Pick up one of those ones with the sticker, the 40% off. They are still priced at $7.99 if you like the colors they have. With the 40% sticker, the price will be $4.79. Use the $3 instant CRT from last week. It's going to drop it down to just $1.79 only. LA colored gift sets are part of the spend 10 get $3 back, and this is a limit of 2. Pick up the LA color gift sets priced at $4.99 each. These 2 items are going to total $9.98. That's within the 98% rule. Pay that and get $3 back, making both items just $6.98. Nivea body wash is on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back, and this includes both the men and the women. But I'll be focusing on the men because it's a little cheaper. It's priced at $6.79. The second one is going to be $3.40. We don't have any coupon for this. The total for the 2 items will be $10.19. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items $5.19 or $2.60 each. The next deal I have here will be on Iris Spring or Soft Soap Body Wash. They are on the tier deal of buy one get $2 back, or you buy 2, you get $5 back. And for this deal, I think it would be better to buy 2. And I will also explain how to do the Iris Spring or the soft soap in case that's what you want. For Iris Spring, pick up 2. They are priced at $7.49 each. The 2 of them are going to total $14.98. Today we received a 5 off 2 Iris Spring or soft soap digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.98. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items $4.98 or $2.49 each. If you prefer the soft soap, pick up 2. They are priced at $6.59, and these 2 items are going to total $13.18. Using the same 5 off 2 soft soap digital coupon that we all received today, is going to drop it down to $8.18. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items $3.18 or $1.59 each. The next deal will be on some Eucerin lotion. They are part of the spend 20 get $10 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 3 of the Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotions, the 5 ounces, priced at $6.99 each. These 3 items are going to total $20.97. We have a $2 coupon in our app that will apply to this, and check coupons.com. You can print out 2 more coupons for the remaining 2 items. With these 3 coupons, it's going to drop it down to $14.97. If you have any lotion CRT, you can add it to this deal, but without the CRT, pay the $14.97 and get $10 back, making all 3 items $4.97 or $1.66 each. The next deal I have here will be the buy 2 get $4 back, and Head & Shoulder is part of this deal. They also on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off. Pick up 2 of the Head & Shoulder shampoo and conditioner, priced at $7.99. The second item will be $4.79 because of the buy 1 get 1 40% off. These 2 items are going to total $12.78. Check your app. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that is going to apply to them. And I received a $2 CRT for Head & Shoulder. I got one last week, and I also got one this week. And I have a $2 off any hair care CRT that will also apply to this deal. With all these CRTs and the coupon, it's going to drop it down to $3.78. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items free and a 22-cent moneymaker. The next deal I have here is buy 2 get $5 back on any Clairol hair color, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the hair colors priced at $9.49, and the 2 of them are going to total $18.98. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that is going to apply to this and drop it down to $12.98, and you get $5 back, making both products $7.98 or $3.99 each. This week, Speed Stick deodorants are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Picking up 2, they are priced at $3.89. The second one is going to be $1.95 because of the buy 1 get 1 half off. The total for these 2 items are $5.84. Check speedstick.com and print out 75 cents coupon. You can print out 2. it will drop it down to $4.34. Pay that and get $3 back, making both items $1.34 or 67 cents each. The next hair care deal I have is when you buy 4 of any Hacks hair treatment or mask, you get $2 back, and they're on sale for 2 for $4. Picking up 4, that would total $8. I don't have any coupon or CRT for this, so pay the $8 and get $2 back, making all 4 items just $6 or $1.50 each. And this will also make a good filler item. This next deal, you can find it in front of the store by the cashier, is when you buy 2, you get $1 back on Hershey singles, and it's a limit of 1. There are different products within this deal, so you can choose whichever one you like. But picking up 2 of the Almond Joy, that will be $2. You pay the $2 and get $1 back, making both items $1 or 50 cents each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $6 back on Venus razor, cartridges or intimate grooming, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Venus razors priced at $11.79. They're also on sale for buy 1 get 1 50% off. The second item is going to be $5.90. These 2 items are going to total $17.69. Check your app because we have a $3 coupon that is attaching to it. And also get to P&G website and print out another $3 for the second item. With these 2 coupons, it's going to drop it down to $11.69. Pay that and get $6 back, making both products just $5.69 or $2.85 each. If you need the all-free and clear detergent, they're on sale for $5.29, and when you buy 2, you get $1 back. Picking up 2 will total $10.58. Check your app because we have a $1.50 digital coupon that will apply to this. That will drop it down to $9.08. Pay that and get $1 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for a $2 back. It's a limit of 1. And also submit your receipt to Shopkick for $1.50 back on the second item. That will end up making these 2 items just $4.58 or $2.29 each. I will be showing 4 ways to do the spend 30 get $10 back, but remember it's a limit of 1. The first option I have is by picking up 2 of the Chic Extreme Bamboo Razor, priced at $8.49, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. That means the second one is going to be $4.25. Then pick up 1 of the Downy Beads, on sale for $6.99. To complete this deal, pick up the Cottonelle 9 Mega Roll, on sale for $10.99. And these 4 items are going to total $30.72. And for the Chic Bamboo Razor, I have a $4 coupon I got from coupons.com. And we also have another $4 in our app for the second item. And for the Cottonelle, we have a $2 digital coupon that will apply to it. The Downy Unstoppable, we also have a $2 digital coupon that will apply to it. With all these coupons, it's going to drop it down to $18.72. Pay that and get $10 back, making 4 items $8.72 or $2.18 each. Another option for the spend 30 get $10 back is by picking up 2 of the Skintimate disposable razors. They're also on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are priced at $9.99. That means the second one is going to be $5. To complete this deal, pick up 1 of the Tide detergents, on sale for $14.99. And these 3 items are going to total $29.98, which is within the 98% rule. I have a $4 coupon I got from coupons.com, and we also have another one in our app that will apply to both Skintimate razor. And I also have these 3 off 15 Skintimate CRT that will also apply to it. For the Tide, we have a $3 digital coupon that will help take it down to $19.98. Pay that and get $10 back, making all 3 items just $9.98 or $3.33 each. The third option will be picking up 2 of the Skintimate disposable razors, priced at $9.99. And remember, they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. The second one is going to be $5. Pick up 1 of the Gain Fling, on sale for $5.49. The last item to add to this deal will be the Revlon eyeliner, priced at $10.49. All these items are going to total $30.97. Use two $4 coupons for the Skintimate disposable razor, one from the app and also one from coupons.com. And also use the 3 off 15 Skintimate CRT that will also apply to this deal. And for the Gain Flings, we have a $1.50 digital coupon that will apply to it. For the Revlon, if you still have your $5 from last week, that means if you printed it out, because it expired on Saturday, and if your store accepts expired CRT up to 2 days, use it. Today we received another $5 CRT for Revlon. I have this $2 Revlon CRT that I got last week, but this $12 CRT is going to adjust because the total for the CRTs is $12, but my Revlon cost me $10.49. That means one of them will adjust down. After all these CRTs and the coupon, pay $7.98 and get $10 back, making all these items free and a $2.02 money maker. The fourth option I have for the spend 30 get $10 back will be picking up 2 of the Nijamas on sale for 2 for $22. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that is attaching to this item. The next item that will complete this deal will be the Revlon eyeliner priced at $10.49. These 3 items are going to total $32.97. I'll be using a $5 Revlon CRT we all got last week. If you printed yours out, you can still use it within 2 days if your store accepts it. And today we received another $5 mystery CRT for Revlon as well. I also have another $2 Revlon CRT. The total for these 3 CRTs is $12, but the item I picked out is $10.49. That means one of them is going to adjust down. And for the Nijamas, we have a 4 off 2. After all these CRTs and the coupon apply, it's going to drop it down to $18. Pay that and get $10 back, making all 3 items just $8 or $2.67 each. And with this deal, you're just paying for the Nijamas. And this concludes my deal for today. Thank you all for watching and thank you for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.